What's up, Cyberhawk? So in today's video, we're going to be going over the Kali Linux virtual machine, how you can download that using the VirtualBox. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to Kali Linux on Google. You can just type in that, and then from there you can type in or click on the it should be the first one popping up. You should get to this page here, and then you just hit download. And now there's a lot of different ones right here. I'm probably going to end up doing a video me showing you guys how to do it with the installer images, but right now we're going to be using the virtual machines. I actually found out this was actually a whole lot easier for me to utilize on my Mac, because I'm doing this on my Mac versus my Windows. As you can see, I do have the regular one on there. Well, this one I'm going to be using the virtual machine. This one should be quicker, and this is great too if your Mac or your system just doesn't or isn't compatible with Kali. Apparently for me, my system wasn't one of the recommended ones, and I was having a lot of different issues with this, but with the pre-built virtual machine, it kind of just made things so much easier. So after you click on the virtual machine, you can go ahead and go to the 64 one if you would like to, since we're going to be using VirtualBox. Again, if you're using something else like VMware, etc., you can type on those, but we're going to be using the VirtualBox one. So we're going to go ahead and click on the download, and that will download. Now, while downloading, again, we're going to be doing this through VirtualBox, so be sure you have VirtualBox. To find VirtualBox, you just type in VirtualBox on Google or virtualbox.org, and you should be able to see it. And then from there, click on download VirtualBox 7.0, or you may be in the future, it may be another one, and then you just find the correct one for you, and you should be able to download it. So yeah, for me, again, I'm on the Mac, so we're going to be going to Mac OS. If you're on Windows, Linux distribution, you just click on that, just like that. So once that is all done downloading, we would go ahead and open up our VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and open up our VirtualBox. Let's go ahead and make sure we have this actually installed. Double click on this icon. Bam. Something that's came up on my other screen. I just click yep. And then we can run it on our applications. So once you actually have it up and running, you should get something like this. Now, you won't have this Kali Linux VirtualBox here, but you should probably have just the Android, so you're looking good. So after your Kali Linux gets downloaded, you will then be able to actually, get to the good part. So I'm gonna let that download real quick, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, so the file is finally done extracting. You should see two files within it, the VDI and the VBox. So let's go ahead and actually open this up and add it in. So let's go back, and I actually deleted my other virtual machine right here because apparently you can only have one of the same style. So let's go ahead and add, go to downloads, click on this folder, and click on the VBox one. You shouldn't be able to click on the other one. So click on the VBox, open, bam. So we're done with that. We our system, display, all our info right there. If you want to edit this, you can definitely do so here. System, display, storage, all the info right there. But again, this is kind of just a basic video just to download this quickly so you guys can utilize it. So we have it added right here. So to actually start it, just click on the big green arrow. And cool, it is downloading. I mean, not downloading, but it's doing this thing right here. Made it big, but we'll make it back small, and we'll just do it manually. So now we gotta wait a little bit more for it to do all of its processing and all that. As you guys can see, yeah, we'll click on the full. Let's capture that. Then we want that to be full and all. And now we're just waiting for Kali Linux to finish up. So we're gonna do another, you can probably jump cut, fast forward, and I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. All right, guys, so it's finally done with all of that. So as you guys can see, it's kind of, it doesn't look the best. And I'll show you guys you can kind of make it look better. You actually may have it even smaller than mine. If it's smaller than what you're seeing here, go up to the top, and you guys probably can't see all of it, but if you go up to the top, turn it to full screen mode, it should fix it. If it doesn't fix it, go back to scale mode and see if it fixes it, but it should fix it. And then for the username and password, it's just Cali. That's the default. So as you type in Cali, and then it's going to do its thing, and I'm going to make it bigger so you guys can see, and voila. Now again, this doesn't look the best, so if you wanted to make it look better, one of the things you can do, at least for Linux, at least for if you're using a Mac, go up to the top to view. Again, you can't see it on this screen here because I didn't have the full screen being recorded, but it's up top. Currently on scaled mode, just go up 2 times to full screen, switch it, and bam, it should make it look a lot nicer. All right, guys, I just wanted to do a quick little update to the end of this, kind of showing the full screen. So again, if you need help to change the screen, you have full screen mode. If that also isn't working and you try seamless mode, scale mode isn't working, it isn't looking nice like you currently see, another thing you can do is go down to virtual screen, and I believe you'll probably have it currently at the default at scale to 100%. Try the scale to 200%. When I did this, it made the text and everything pop up even more and look better. Depending on your system or your screen size, you can try different things, but I definitely recommend trying the scale to 200% to make it look perfect.